I'm not quite sure how it always winds up that I go to buy tools at Home Depot on a rainy day. Perhaps it is the fact that it's raining and I've got some indoor work to do and I need a tool. I don't know. But anyway, we are back again at Home Depot, and this is my second unboxing video of a RIDGID tool. As you can tell from the Sawzall video, I'm a fan of RIDGID. I've got the circle saw, the impact wrench, and the Sawzall, and I'm looking to add to my collection because I've got a lot of caulk work to do at the wife and I. We're starting our own business, and so we're looking to caulk a bunch of different spots throughout the building. So here we are. Yeah, that cool pro parking. Here we go. And yes, I have a check engine light in my old Bronco. Most of them do. Let's get it. Home Depot. It's magic. We got it. All right, let's go put some work in on it. Yeah. There's your buddy, circle saw. Yeah. One of the things I really love about the RIDGID tool series, of course, it's true with Milwaukee and some of the others, is that the 18-volt batteries, they work from tool to tool. This was, let's see, $99 plus tax. All right, we are back at our job site, and you can see I've got a charged up 6 amp hour battery over there, some gutter caulk, a knife to cut that open with, and the caulk gun. So let's open this sucker up, and let's see how it works. Yep, there it is. It's 100% compatible with all the 18-volt tools. And I can say this, you guys know from when I got the Sawzall that even the Sawzall battery was forward and backward compatible with the other non-octane. I did have a question on there. Somebody said, well, is the tool that you got with the Sawzall, is it octane? And I was like, no. Or is it brushless? I think might have been the questions. Is it brushless? This one here, I'm not sure if it's brushless or not. This is what it comes out of the box looking like. Got it in a plastic wrap here. And what else we got in the box? There's our lifetime warranty paperwork. You know, I've never filled that out. Probably should, huh? Free repairs, free parts, free service for life. You have to register within 90 days. So yeah, in case someone from RIDGID's paying attention to what I'm doing here, don't want to give you false advertising. Comes with a little product lineup. All right. So we're ready to get cranking. Let's see what this thing can do. Sorry about all the noise. All that plastic. Look at this. So it has power settings here on top. I assume that's what these are. Got a 7 all the way down to a 1. It's got the belt hook here. Let's see if we can pull that thing out. There we go. That'll come in handy hanging it off your belt. And then we'll pull that charging handle out. There we go. All right. Pretty cool. There's a spot for our battery. So let's get this 6 amp hour battery ready to roll. Dropping things. There we go. All right, here we go. First run. And nothing. Oops. Oh yeah. Look at that, folks. There we go. Let's go to the trigger lock. Now let's try it. We get it on a level 1. Oh, look at that. Focus. Look how slow that's going. That's neat. Okay. Let's go to a level 2. A little bit faster. Nice. Let's try level 4. Nice. All right, let's go 5. Oh yeah, sucker's moving. And of course, why not go all the way to 7? Caulk coming out now. Wait a minute, look at this. Okay, listen to the motor. Here's when I barely squeeze the trigger. A little bit harder. I'll be blessed. If this thing works half as good as it sounds, it's gonna be amazing. All right, let's load it with some caulk and try it. All right, we have our tube of caulk loaded. I've got the end cut off here. And I'm gonna try to get the camera to focus high definition here so you can see how it works. I went ahead and set it on a 4. Whoa, I forgot to puncture the little aluminum seal right in there, so that's why it popped a second ago. So let's try this again. Wow. Look at that, folks. Okay, 4 is fast. Okay, so you're probably going to want to do something more like probably a 2, because this thing really puts the caulk out. Look at that. That's with a 4. Okay. I almost neglected to mention that in order to insert the tube of caulk, this actually threads out. You see that right there? That threads out, and then you can pull it off and insert your tube of caulk if you need to. I guess that's also so you could clean this if you needed. But it's also so that when you withdraw the ram all the way up into the housing there, that the tube of caulk will fit in. And then you just, I had to back it off to about right there to insert the tube of caulk in here, and then just torque it back down, and you're ready to roll. Also need to mention that this, like I said before, the setting 4 is probably a bit fast for just like doing a tub or something, and 2 seems to be a little bit better. So, but wow, overall first thoughts on the tool, and it even comes with the puncture tool for getting through the seals that are usually in the top of these tops. You can see I put pressure on it before I broke the seal, and it has so much pressure, so much power in the ram, even on a setting 4, that it burst the side of the tube of caulk. So it has enough power to override the seal that's inside here and basically rupture the tube. So be careful, don't do what I did. Make sure you puncture that seal. But anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna put this thing to work. I've got a lot of stuff to caulk in this building, and I'm hoping to get a lot of use out of this tool. So anyway, I would say just in first glance, this looks like probably a 10 out of 10 tool, but time will tell. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this. Has anybody had one of these? What did you think about it? How long did it last? Was it good? Do you have a brand you recommend better? And also, what would you like to see out of these review videos? This is only my second one, so it's not as polished and smooth as I would like for it to be, but then again, I'm pretty no frills. So if you like what you see, let me know, and I'll continue to review tools as I buy them. As you can see, the site I'm working on here has a lot of work left to be done, and some of the tools I probably still don't have. So anyway, there you go. RIDGID 18-volt caulk gun. Y'all have a blessed day.